it's me, Isaac, from the other video, where my dad went up that really big hill under 5 seconds. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the motorcycles and dirt bikes we have, and we're going to turn it on, and I'm going to tell you the miles per hour. So, my dirt bike, this one goes 35 miles per hour. My favorite one out of all of them. And over here, this one's my dad's dirt bike, which goes 45 miles per hour. And this is his motorcycle, which he never told me how many miles per hour. So, Dad, how many miles does it go?
It goes 150 miles per hour.
Y'all heard it. It goes 150 miles per hour.
All right.
So, now we're probably only going to turn on one or all. Dad, are we going to turn on all or one?
We can turn on this one.
Those two?
Yeah, these two.
Okay.
You want to turn yours on first or mine?
Mine.
Okay, let's do
So
it.
we're going to show y'all both of the motorcycle and my dirt bike. So, we're about to turn it on. Dad,
Here, hold the camera.
he's going to do it because I normally don't do it.
Takes a while to warm up.
Yep. So you can see it takes a little longer to turn on, but this is what my dirt bike sounds like when you don't ride it. But other motorcycle. This is the motorcycle. It's pretty loud, guys. It's pretty loud. So, you're about to see how it is. And my sister's and that was my dad's motorcycle.
You want me to turn this one on too?
Yeah, and my dad's gonna turn on that one, which is louder than mine, almost. They kind of sound the same. Mine sounds louder when we ride on it.
Go on this side.
But these are all the motorcycles and dirt bikes.
Kickstart.
And this one is Kickstart, so get ready. Get your minds blown. So as you can see, that is pretty loud. But the motorcycle for me is the loudest one out of all of them. So, as you can see, it's pretty cool. Wait, can you say the name? Can you say your name?
Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Okay. And like and subscribe. Saying it's always peace. Bye-bye. Okay.